Google Colab is absolutely free service which you can use just logging into your Google account. It will provide an environment where you can write your Python code in a notebook right within your browser. You can run your own Python code in the cloud using large datasets for free of cost. No need to install anything on your computer. Colab provides some really awesome features. For instance, it interacts with Google Drive, meaning any notebook you write is automatically saved to your drive, so you'll never lose any work. Secondly, Colab supports real-time collaboration, meaning you can share notebooks with others and work together easily on them. Yet another very powerful feature is the ability to run your code on Google's powerful hardware. For free access to GPUs and TPUs, machine learning tasks are preeminently suited for especially training large models. Now, let's see how to write and run Python code in Colab. You type your Python code in a cell and run it with a Shift+Enter. The output comes right below the cell. Let's run a simple code. We are going to add 2 numbers and print the result. Here is the code. Here, we are simply adding 7 and 3, then printing their sum. One of the best advantages of working with Colab is its collaborative functionality. You can easily share a notebook with friends or team members and then work collectively in real time. If you have group work that you're involved in, or if you are teaching or even getting feedback, it is easy. Just click on the Share button at the top right and you can share the notebook via email or get a shareable link. You can also control access levels, whether you want others to view, comment on or edit. This makes Google Colab great for group work, tutorials, or open source collaborations. Plus, if someone's editing the notebook, you'll see their changes in real time, just like you would in Google Docs. One of the really great things about Colab is how easy working with data is. You can upload datasets from your computer, link to Google Drive, or even access data directly from the web. You can visualize your data right here as well using libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn. Colab has built-in support for visualization, and so you can quickly generate charts and graphs to better understand your data. Here are a couple of tips to make your Colab experience even better. First, take advantage of Colab's rich text support to add explanations, titles, and even images alongside your code using Markdown cells. And remember, you can save and download your notebooks in various formats like PDF, HTML, and even Jupyter Notebook format for easy sharing or further editing. That's a wrap, folks. Google Colab, it is seriously a very powerful and easy-to-use platform for Python programming, just perfect for doing any data science and machine learning, whether you are working on a small project or building complex models. So do check out its feature set, especially collaboration and sharing. Thanks for watching.